Alright guys, I arrived. Let's go and see where I am this time. Yes guys, I arrived to the beach. It's looking very nice. So much sand everywhere. It's a low tide now. The sea is so far away, but I got my drone with me, so I can get there without any problems. I'll just try to get somewhere on the hill so I can see everything clearly. Alright, I think this will do it. Very nice spot. I got my DJI Mini 5 Pro with me. I will do some flying about. This will be my second flight. I hope it will be much better, and today the weather is just fantastic. There's no clouds, sun is shining, and there's no wind at all. So let's see how it goes. Let's start the drone. Okay, starting up. Okay, connected. Yes, looking nice. Recording.
Home point updated.
Alright guys, let's take off.
Take off. Home point updated.
Okay, let's track. Okay guys, how is it looking? Good? Just see the airplane coming right in my way. Alright guys, let's go.
level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds. Low battery. Return to home promptly. Vehicle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution. Take off. Home point updated. return to the home point in 10 seconds. Return to home. Landing.
Okay, guys, very nice location here, very nice beach. If it was a summer, it would be full of people swimming in the sea. As it's winter, it's still a bit busy, quite a few people walking dogs around and just enjoying time outside. Okay then, thanks for watching. That's it for today. Please like and subscribe and hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.
3, 2, 1.
Bye bye.